Hello, hello. What are our messages today? Love yourself as much as you want your soulmate to love you. Which item has our message today? Let's pick this envelope today. No one ever made a difference by being like everyone else. P.T. Barnum. Adulting is a soup, and I'm a fork. Doesn't that feel like the truth sometimes? The problem is everyone is looking for unconditional love, carrying a bag full of conditions. Whatever is for you will bring clarity, not confusion. I deserve to take up space and voice things that matter to me. Absolutely. I often wonder who Pete is and why we do things for his sake. For Pete's sake. That one's cute. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.